बाजार क्या लग रहा है? Like this say, irrespective of the budget, no budget, where are markets headed?
By the way, I am bullish in general. Why? First is that it is very rare for the Indian market to be down when the rest of the world is up. Number one. Number two, in the last 3 years, if you look at the NSE 500 index, it is up in rupee terms some 15% per annum. Okay, if you do right now, 3 years, so that means 22 January 30th to now or whatever. So in that sense, it is not out of line with historical longer term averages. If you did 10 year, 15 year, 20 year, 7 year, 9 year, it'll all turn out to be in this range of 14, 15, 16% per annum. And we also know from a big picture top down thing that the earnings growth of our market last 3 years would have been in this range, say 13, 15%. Suppose they were 2% less also, it doesn't mean ki literally it has to be identical, but mota mati, it is in range. Therefore, markets don't correct when, and for last year, it might be much lower than that, maybe 10%, if you do just 1 year. So normally markets don't correct after a 10% rally. The previous 3 instances in which it has been wise to raise money were at the end of 91, at the end of 99, at the end of 2007. In all of them, those 3 years were very big, like 60, 80% in that year. फिर आप कह सकते हो 60% has gone up, now it should correct. यहाँ पे it has gone up 10% and why should it correct? And main thing is the FII has sold, but the FIs have basically started selling from October 1. In September, actually, I don't remember the exact number, but it was more than 8-10 billion of inflow. Okay, in September. Yeah. So from October, it became some 12 billion outflow, then chalta hi raha. And now it's about 20 billion of outflow since October 1. So what is this trade of whoever is selling? It must be, I am selling India to buy what? USA. अब वो भी there is a limit कितने दिन चलाओगे story को, because in this period the stocks he's selling are down maybe 10-15%. If he's selling some small cap, they are down 25%, and his own market, or if he's US guy, it's up some 10-15%. वो 30-40% difference के बाद हमारे 0.2% निकाल के क्या करेगा? This trade will be over soon. I think this trade has been, what is the word, accentuated, or duration has become bigger because the Indian market started doing badly. आप 4 दिन Indian market को चलाइए and they will also back off. Yes. And how to do it? एक तो you should have a good monetary policy. We know it is very tight. And in the budget today, government should say, now it might be too late, but the government should say things about the market and say we respect the market. We think it's a great thing, it's adding value, ताकि लोगों को लगे that now this, of course today there's no chance of any capital gain taxes etc, but to sort of humbly accept कि बहुत हो गया.